Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Substack. First, head to the Substack website and sign up with your email or Google account. Next, you'll choose a name for your publication that reflects your content. Then, craft a clear and engaging description to tell potential readers what your newsletter is all about. This initial setup is quick and sets the stage for your writing journey. Once your account is set up, it's time to write your first post. Use the intuitive editor to draft your content, adding images or other media to make it visually appealing. You can save drafts, schedule posts for a future date, or publish them instantly. Remember to proofread carefully before sharing your work with the world. Building an audience is key to a successful Substack. Share your publication link across your social media channels to reach new readers. You can also import existing email lists to invite your current contacts. Actively engage with comments and feedback to foster a strong community around your writing. Consistency helps attract and retain subscribers. Substack allows you to monetize your writing by offering paid subscriptions. You can set your own monthly or annual price for exclusive content, giving readers a reason to support your work. Explore additional features like integrated chat for community interaction or podcasting to diversify your content. It's a flexible platform for creators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.